Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a website using Wix. For those who do not know, Wix is a free tool that you can use to create a website. It makes creating websites super easy. To begin, all you need to do is head to the Wix website and create an account. Depending on the type of website that you want to create, you may get different options here on the setup page. I would begin by completing all of these setup recommendations Wix gives you. You can also head to design site here in the top right, and from here you can generate a design with AI or customize the template to create your website. And as you can see, they have tons of different templates that you can use in order to create a website. From here it's pretty straightforward. You just choose if you'd like to use a template or if you'd prefer to use AI to create your website, and then from there you can start customizing. Wix is pretty straightforward with how to create a website, and it's all pretty much done in steps, so make sure to follow their steps in order and you should have a website ready. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.